my god, guys, it's so heavy rain, guys. I can control my scooter, guys. So heavy rain. Oh my god. So welcome back to my channel, new vlog, guys. Today my mic, I'm not using any mic because as you can see it's raining, so I use only my GoPro Hero 10, no media mode. I didn't connect the mic because if I connect the mic, it's gonna be, if I use media mode, it's gonna be damage my GoPro. So I use only GoPro. This is waterproof now, so I cannot use media mode. So as you can see, no mic. So guys, today video is all about less talk, and only you guys see in this video like POV, point of view videos. And yeah, enjoy this video, guys, and let's talk. If I talk, the mic sound is not today better because it's raining day today, is all time. Alright guys, I hope so you guys hear my voice because I'm not using any mic, any media mode, because today is like all the time rainy day. So yeah, I'm not using any mic, so just you guys see today point of view videos like let's talk. Yeah, and yeah guys, I just got first order from Uber Eats now. It's like a £7 order, and £7 order I need to go to Sainsbury supermarket, and yeah, let's go to Sainsbury and collect the first order, £7 order from Uber Eats. Let's go there. Alright guys, as you can see, so windy guys, so windy, raining, and I hope you guys can hear my voice because I'm not using any microphone, any media mode, no media mode, guys. I'm shouting too loud, I'm talking so loud. I hope so you guys hear my voice, guys. And yeah, as you can see the weather, guys, it's so rainy day, and also it's so windy today. Yeah, I'm going to now Sainsbury to get my food from Sainsbury. Guys, we arrived at Sainsbury now. Hello, that's Uber Eats. Molly?
5-3.
Molly.
Yeah, it's just these.
How many bags?
These 3.
Oh, well, thank you. No, this is not flour, yeah? No flour, yeah? Flour?
Not
Oh, thank you. Alright guys, you know what happened, guys? You know what happened to me? I forgot to bring my bag. You know, well, I have a top box, but guys, I forgot to bring my delivery from my bag. This, you know, the restaurant give me this, you know, bag, but I forgot to bring that delivery bag. Oh my god! You know what? I feel very light, you know, because I forgot to bring my top box. I have top box, but I forgot to bring the delivery from my bag, guys. And yeah, thank God that restaurant gave me without. Oh my God! Thank God that Sainsbury the girl gave me that top box, guys. Yeah, without the food, otherwise it's gonna be trouble to me. Alright, thank Thank God, guys, thank God. Otherwise, light. Some of the time I will carry it back, so I feel very light. Sometimes I forget that delivery bag. First time I forget delivery bag, you know, and I feel why I feel so light. So yeah, I forget delivery bag, man, in my home. So I left in my home. So thank God some restaurant didn't give you food, that order, you know, they didn't give you food if you didn't carry that from back. Luckily I get the food, otherwise I need to go home and again waste my time. And guys, thank God that the girl give me that food without carry that from back. But some restaurant, if you go to, this is grocery shopping, that's the reason maybe I get the order. Otherwise, if I go to like a McDonald's, KFC, I didn't get the order, guys, because they want food delivery back. But that's my mistake. That's my dumb mistake, guys. And sometimes I forget, you know. Oh my God! First time I forget delivery back. All right, guys, let's go to customer house. Oh, you can put it here.
Thank you.
Can you get a pin, please?
2895.
2895. Thank you. Thank you. Bye bye. I need to go home, but still I get all of them deliver now. I need to bring my camera back, but you can see I get anything order again. So many orders. There's so many orders can fit. Still fit in my car. So windy, guys, so windy. It's raining also. I'm wearing today full waterproof Joe's waterproof full set. Hello, 6842.
6842. What number's that one?
6842, yeah?
Is that it there?
You give me that one?
Yeah, that's it. Okay. That's all I've got.
No, that's it, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. All right.
Thank you. So I just saved you wandering up and down.
Yeah, I didn't see that. I was
Oh, I know.
Yeah.
It's really
Yeah.
isn't it? Thank you so much.
Can you get
Oh, God, that's heavy.
yeah, everything. Yeah. Can you get 2 digit code?
Yeah, 84.
84. Thank you. Thank you.
Lovely.
That's
Thank
everything.
you so
Thank you.
much.
You're welcome, ma'am.
Safe
Thank you.
journey back.
Bye bye. Thank you. All right. Hello. Uber's Dan. Uber's Dan. Just one, yeah?
Just that one.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Oh my god, guys, it's so heavy rain, guys. I can control my scooter, guys. So heavy rain. Oh my god. So heavy. Heavy rain. Oh my god. And so heavy on my look also with brother. It's so heavy rain, man. Thank you, man. Thank you. Oh guys, they will complete, guys, and so heavy, massive heavy rain. I need to go back again home, man. It's so far from my area. Alright guys, I just came home, guys. I started at 2 p.m. and as you can see, right now it's like a 5 p.m. guys, 5:09. So 5:09, guys. Yeah, I start at 2 p.m. guys. So 3 hours of working only. So heavy rain today, so I'm not using any media mode. I hope so you guys hear my voice. So I made today working on 3 hours on Deliveroo and Uber Eats. This is Deliveroo. So I made 2 orders on, I completed on Deliveroo, £14.67. So as you can see, that's 2 orders only. Morrison 9.56 and Taco Bell 5.11. 2 order only I do on Deliveroo, £14.67. And Uber Eats, let's check Uber Eats. So as you can see, I turn off because I'm now home, so I don't want to do any work now. So as you can see, I made working on Uber Eats 3 hours, £25.53. £25.53. Yeah, 14.67 Deliveroo, and plus 25 something pence, I forget. 25 on Uber Eats, so 39 something, yeah, 167 pence something. So maybe 3 hours into 3, 13 pound, yeah, 13 pound per hour. It's not bad, decent money. So yeah guys, I just came home. I don't want to do any tired because yeah, it's a rainy day. Rainy time you walk, you feel so tired, man. As you can see today, yeah, it's heavy rain and you know, so dangerous to ride on rainy time. So yeah, just came home, and thank you for watching, guys. If you like this video, guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, guys. See you soon. Take care. Bye bye.